Use of technology is another cause of noise pollution. For example, unmonitored monitor use of mobile phones, electricity generators, music system, and TV all become irritant from time to time. People usually don't switch off their mobiles or put them on silent modes when they enter office, hospitals, schools, and college. They also use electricity generators excessively in residential areas and put other residents ill to ease. Moreover, listening to loud music or TV on a loud volume is another source of noise pollution. For example, people need to develop some civic civic responsibilities to so that others may not be in trouble because of their careless action. Noise pollution causes not only environmental damage but it also has a negative impact on human health. It can cause aggression, hyper, hypertension, high stress levels, hearing loss, restlessness, depression, and in insomnia. Insomnia can further lead to anxiety, bad temper, and emotional stress. In addition, noise pollution can seriously affect the learners. It gives them unnecessary mental or physical tension. In Pakistan, there is a dire need to bring down the noise levels coming from different sources. The government must gear up and utilize various means to control unwarranted noise levels. For example, the Punjab Environment Protects Protection Agency recommends around 55 decibels of noise level in residential colonies and 75 decibels in commercial areas. These figures must be strictly enforced by the government. Furthermore, the government should ensure some traffic flow, block noise emitting vehicles from roads, use noise barriers where necessary, and expedite construction work to minimize noise pollution. Also, the residential societies should come forward to frame and enforce rules in their areas to check unnecessary noise proceeding against.